Hey guys, so there's constantly questions out there for the 6MT guys in a B8.5 or B8 S4, S5 on like shifter setups and everything. So the stock one's extremely sloppy, a lot of rubber and plastic. So when I pulled my engine and redid the timing chains and a lot of other stuff just to get it, up to snuff and not leaking and all kinds of stuff. That was around 97,000 miles. I went dual pulley at the same time, so did the clutch and everything was out. So took the opportunity to really upgrade everything here as well. So my setup, starting here, obviously BFI weighted shift knob. I have the JHM solid short shifter on a JXB base plate. This boot or gator is just a Alcantara piece from eBay. It's nice enough, works, fits great. Under the car goes into the JHM solid shifter linkage, and then I have a aluminum single mass lightweight flywheel with a South Bend Stage 2 drag clutch setup. Holds the power fine. I was meticulous in the break-in to make sure that it was going to be done right and held the power, and have had no issues with it. Definitely clutch chatter when you're in neutral because of the single mass flywheel. But this is a weekend car at best, so I deal with it. A lot of people ask how the shifter changes are. I hate to use the terminology because I know it's Jay's from JXB, is the might as well be gated. I think it's him, but it's extremely solid and shift. There's no real slop. Like, that's front to back, side to side, and neutral is all or nothing. You can't push past the down. The down is good, and then when you start getting into gears, your first gear you're only going to get first gear. Second gear, there's no play. I mean, very minimal. And it's clunky, it's loud, but race car, right? It's just the way it is. So it's very, very nice. I've never missed a shift since I've swapped it. So if you can deal with notchy and loud, but you want gated, like, it's good. It's good stuff. So that's my setup. I'm very happy with it. I know JXB offers a lot of that stuff nowadays too, and he's a good dude and makes great products. So I guess make your decisions wisely. But I went the full gamut. I will mention also with the clutch, I have a braided line, the valves removed, and I have the extended slave cylinder. So that's the full setup for my weekend car, and it's got about 104,000 miles on it now. And I figured I'd do a video because everybody's always asking, and then they want to see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. Later.